Okay, the big picture for this lesson is graphing proportions. So here's a proportion right here, y over x equals 5 over 3, and we have our graphing grid. So a proportion goes to the point 0, 0. So all we need is one more point, and we have our ratio 5 to 3, and if you look at the proportion, the 3 goes with x and the 5 goes with y, so 3, 5 is your other point. So I'm going to go plot my point 0, 0 here, and then right 3, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my other point here. That's 3, 5. And then my graph will go right through these points. And I will also extend it this way. Okay, so that's how you make a proportion graph. Now the other concept from this lesson is about finding the unit rate from the graph. Now the unit rate can be found here where the x value is 1. So when you unitize a proportion, that's where you end up with the unit of per 1. So this point here is going to be 1 comma r, where r is the unit rate. And the unit rate, fortunately, is right here. So this point is actually 1 5/3. And that's about 1.6 or something like that. And one more concept from this lesson is graphing an equation like this, y equals 4x, or in general, y equals mx, where m is the rate of change or slope. Well, this is another way of writing a proportion. It's the same thing as y over x equals 4 over 1. But you graph it the same way you do a proportion. It's going to go through the point 0, 0. And then you need to find another point. Well, you can use the rate of change because you're multiplying by 4. So if you're going to have a 1 for x, 4 times 1 makes 4. There's another coordinate you can use. 1, 4. And that pattern actually continues. You're going to go up 4 and right 1 each time. That's what the rate of change of 4 pattern is. Like that. And the pattern goes both directions. So that's the graph of y equals 4x. It goes to the origin 0, 0 and has a rate of change or slope of 4 over 1.